Hey Courtney, it's Brenda. I just want to go through your website real quick. First of all, it looks awesome. You did a great job. Just a couple things need fixing. One thing is that the reason that we have an images folder is that we put all of these images in there to keep it cleaner. So if you do drag all of these images into the image folder, when you call for them in your HTML, you're going to have to add, I'm on your About page right now, but on all of them, you'll have to add images, backslash, and then the name of it. Assuming, let me double check that that is how you named your folder. Yes, images, plural, and a lowercase I. So go ahead and do that. Put all of your images in that folder and then change all of your links to include images backslash. Also, I see you already did an embedded style. This week, we're obviously learning about more, and we're going to do an external style sheet. So for next week's homework, you're going to be adding the line about the style sheet right here in the head, and you'll be removing this, and you'll be just coding for background being a certain color of gray. So you can do that. But overall, it was really, really good. You just missed a couple of tags here and there. Your header's great and everything closes out. And by clicking and having them light up purple, I know that that's true. I see that all the tags close out. Here though, this is the only page, the About page is the only page that you had a body content div. The others don't, and they do need it. But on this one, you did forget to close it out. Notice it's not lighting up. So I'm just going to come down here and close out this div. So now this is your body content. So with CSS, you can tell that to maybe be, a white background. You're still going to have your gray on the overall background of your site, but maybe your body content is on white. Also, your paragraphs, you forgot to close this one. So after the strong, you're going to need to close out that paragraph. And then the other thing is it's an overkill of using bold or strong. We typically only, make one word bold. If you did it to make it stand out better on your gray background, then I would consider doing a lighter gray. And now that we know CSS, if you change your font, maybe a little bit thicker font will accomplish this. So I would take out the strongs. That's really not best practice. So anyway, close that paragraph. H2s are good. This one does not close either. And again, I would take out the strong. Whoops, didn't quite type that correctly. There we go. That's good. And then again, you forgot to close out this P. Make sure you do that so they all light up. And your div and your body. So that would fix your About page. I'm going to pop to your index page. Again, once you do the external style sheet, you'll be able to remove this. I believe, yes, here you don't have any of this. So from here to here is your body content. So make sure you add a div right here for your body content and you close that div right down here. I believe on these, yeah, you had a paragraph with 2 pictures, which is great, and a paragraph with 2 pictures, which is great. On your contact page, I think I saw a couple of things besides the usual. H4 div. Okay, so again, this whole part, you're going to add body content div before this and after this. And then you opened with an H1 but closed with an H2. So pick one or the other. Since it's the second thing on your page, it's probably an H2. Well, I don't know. You decide which one it is. And then again, a paragraph that didn't close. Make sure you close that. And you also didn't close out the strong, but again, I would take that out completely. At ahref mail to here. Okay, that's good. So those few things, fix those issues, and then you're good to go with an external style sheet. But again, you're going to want to wipe this out. This does not need to be here anymore. And actually, where that should go on an embedded, now I'm just seeing this, it should be inside of the head tags. So if you were to do an embedded style on a page, That also needs to be inside the head tags, not floating outside like you had it. But again, you're going to wipe this out because we're going to do an external style sheet going forward. So good job. It looks really nice and your pictures are stunning. So it was fun to look at this. If you have any other questions or concerns, let me know or drop in on our sessions. We have one today in a few minutes, actually. 10 a.m. on Thursdays is the drop-in for this class if you have any questions. Bye-bye.